that right off the list, honey, because you're doing too much. I can't take this quarantine stuff no more. How we gonna be in lockdown and we ain't got no old Wi-Fi? And every time I tell my mama turn on her hotspot, she be like, no, she got internet on her phone and I got nothing on my phone. Can't even play nothing. The only game that I can play is not with internet. And guess what? I like a game that I always be playing is Roblox. I be meeting my friends on it. I ask her, can you turn on my hotspot? She be like, no, you don't even got internet on your phone. And I was like, who are you talking to like that? I know you ain't talking to me like that, because if you are, I'ma call my grandma and she gonna whoop you with that diamond belt and it's gonna hurt. So you better get it together out. Now, have that same energy that you had before this quarantine stuff. Because now you just doing too much. And when we go to the store, all that yapping. Don't tell me nothing. Zip your lips up and be quiet. Do not say a word. Do not say a word about my Wi-Fi. Do not say a word about nothing. Because I'm sick of all this extra stuff. They always doing too much. She needs to get up and go to work so we can have water, Wi-Fi, and all this extra junk. No. Take that right off the list, honey, because you're doing too much.